A volcano is one of the most hostile natural structures on Earth. It's not just a mountain that erupts lava, but an unstable system of toxic gases, extreme temperatures, and underground pressure. Getting too close is already dangerous. But what would happen if a human fell directly into an active volcano? Would the body burn instantly? Would it disappear without a trace? Or would something far more complex happen? This is what if. And here's what would happen if a human fell into an active volcano. Contrary to popular belief, not all volcanoes are the same. Some contain open lava lakes, while others are filled with superheated gases and narrow vents. But in every case, the environment inside a volcano becomes deadly long before reaching the magma. As a person approaches the volcanic vent, the first danger wouldn't be the heat. It would be the gases. Sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, and acidic vapors saturate the air. Just a few breaths would be enough to cause dizziness and loss of consciousness. Realistically, the person would pass out before even falling in. But let's say somehow the body continues to fall. As it descends, temperatures rapidly rise beyond 500 degrees Celsius. The water inside the body begins to vaporize. Soft tissues swell as steam builds up internally. Organs collapse. Bones begin to weaken structurally. And then comes the magma. Magma isn't just hot lava. It's a dense mixture of molten rock, gases, and crystals. When a cold object enters it, the extreme temperature difference triggers a violent explosive reaction. Steam expands instantly, tearing apart whatever remains of the body. In 2002, scientists observed solid objects falling into a lava lake in Ethiopia. The result was explosive bursts that launched molten material dozens of meters into the air. Now imagine that object isn't a rock, but a human body. Within seconds, the body would be destroyed mechanically, not just burned. No intact skeleton would remain. Bones exposed to temperatures above 1,200 degrees Celsius begin to chemically decompose. There would be no recognizable remains, no dramatic plunge, just a brief explosion of steam and molten rock. So yes, volcanoes are extremely efficient at destroying almost anything. But that doesn't make them a practical solution for disposing of objects or people. They're unpredictable, dangerous, and incredibly unstable. And what if, instead of falling into a volcano, we tried to survive near one during an eruption? Or harness magma's energy to power entire cities? Well, that's a topic for another what if.